The man accused of shooting 5 people in the Gaslamp and killing one of them faced a judge today. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Carlo Cicchetto.
And I'm Heather Myers in for Barbara Lee Edwards. Travis Sarreshteh is charged with murder and attempted murder. Earlier this week, Sarreshteh appeared for another arraignment in an entirely separate case. News 8's Heather Hope has more tonight on today's arraignment.
And it's the second time that 32-year-old Travis Sarreshteh has been in court just this week. Today, answering to charges for murder and 4 counts of attempted murder and last week's deadly gas lamp shooting.
Not guilty pleas and denials to all the charges and allegations.
A judge ordered we not show the face of the accused gunman in last week's deadly gas lamp shooting, 32-year-old Travis Sarreshteh. In his first court hearing for the incident, his attorney said Sarreshteh pleaded not guilty to multiple charges.
He has been charged with 1 count of murder along with a use of a firearm allegation, and he's been charged with 4 counts of attempted murder for 4 additional victims and 1 count of assault with a firearm.
Sarreshteh is being held without bail, and no facts of the case were discussed in court. Just last week, the night of April 22nd, police say Sarreshteh opened fire at random in the gas lamp, striking and killing 28-year-old Pendry Hotel valet Justice Bolden and shooting 4 other men who suffered minor injuries. Then on Tuesday, Sarreshteh faced a judge at the El Cajon courthouse for a different case, a misdemeanor working as a private security guard without a license, facing up to $5,000 in a fine and a year in jail if convicted. He pleaded not guilty.
Whatever dates are set for that will remain, but obviously this is a much more serious case, so I imagine this case will be controlling.
In another separate case in the gas lamp, Sarreshteh was charged with having a concealed firearm, resisting an officer, and disturbing the peace by fighting. Court documents show on New Year's Eve 2017, police witnessed Sarreshteh working as a security guard for Sadaf nightclub on 5th Avenue, arguing with another guard. When officers tried to detain him, one sergeant said he resisted and aggressively and violently moved backward, pulling his arms away from the officer. Records show it took a couple officers to get Sarreshteh on the ground, where a loaded Glock 19 fell out of his waistband. Sarreshteh told officers he carried the gun because he thought a drug dealer was after him. No motive for the gas lamp shooting has been released. News 8 learned Sarreshteh's sister recently died of an overdose. His mother committed suicide, and his father texted News 8 Sarreshteh had a recent breakup and suffered from mental illness.
This is an ongoing investigation, and it did happen in the gas lamp where there were a lot of people around, and so if there are any additional people who see this segment and believe that they were a witness to any of the crimes, please reach out to law enforcement because we are still pursuing all leads.
Sarreshteh's next court date is May 19th.